In this video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off mouse acceleration on a Mac. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, mouse acceleration is a feature that in theory helps you be more precise and predictable with your mouse movement. However, especially for gamers, it can be quite annoying because it can overshoot your mouse, or if you move slowly, sometimes it won't be as precise and it can get in the way of lining up precise shots as playing, especially if you are playing something like FPS games. Overall, it can also be distracting for people who just want normal raw mouse movement. So they have actually added an option on any MacBook or Mac desktop to disable mouse acceleration. So even though in the past you had to download external programs to get this done, now all that you have to do is access the settings, and on the settings you will find the mouse category after you scroll down. So between keyboard and then other devices, go into mouse and then choose the advanced option. So there will be a button labeled advanced, and once you go into the advanced mouse settings, you will see disable pointer acceleration. So this is what they call mouse acceleration. When enabled, the pointer will move more quickly for fast mouse movements and more precisely for slow mouse movements. So if you don't want acceleration enabled, make sure that this option is toggled accordingly. So in this case, it would be off to disable pointer acceleration. Now, all of your inputs will be raw, meaning that they won't be faster if you move fast, or even slower if you move slow. They will essentially be raw inputs, and this will work for any mouse that you have connected to your Mac, as long as you disable this option in the mouse settings. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn off mouse acceleration on Mac. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.